Hey guys, gonna do a really quick video. This is my HD PC. It's pretty much my no compromise build on a small form factor with full ATX motherboard compatibility. Quick overview of the parts. I've got Seasonic 750 watt titanium power supply. It's like their flagship low wattage unit. I've got some Nidex servo fans that I've already pre-sleeved and ready to go, and a little bit of sound deadening foam around them. So I'll be filling that in more as time goes on. Really good fan, dual ball bearing. I mean, they spin a long time. Very, very quiet, very efficient. That's pretty much a high CFM version of an AP15, which a lot of people know from Gentle Typhoon or Scythe. Got some 80mm Enermax fans here. Like I said, Silverstone Grandia GD09, so it's got little fan filters. All the air coming in, and then these are going to be the only exhaust, so we're going to have pretty large positive pressure. I've got a little K830 here from Logitech. Comes with mouse pad and everything else, Bluetooth, which is nice. I've got this low profile Noctua cooler. Obviously I've put another Nidec fan, but it's really low profile. It's not going to stick out very much, and it'll actually be able to sit below the drive bay if I do decide to put one, which at this point I don't have any decision to do so. That's about it. Stay tuned for the remainder of the videos. Thanks a lot.